My name's Esther, and today I'm making grilled cheese sandwiches for my whole family.
Very good. So what do we need to make grilled cheese sandwiches?
This
Butter spray.
butter spray and bread and cheese, and it's easy to make. First, cut the cheese. Now take out 4 slices of bread. Okay. 2, 4. Put it right there.
That's 5.
Oh, that's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. We'll save that one for in a minute.
Spray the bread with butter spray. Flip over the bread. Wait, be careful.
It's not hot yet, so it's safe.
Flip.
Good job. That's 1.
I'll do the one next to it since I moved it.
You're doing all of them, girl.
Yep.
All 4 of them.
All 4.
Yep.
Let's do this one next. I kind of moved it.
Good job. Last one. So, don't smash it. Last one.
This one.
There we go. Very good. Good, good.
Put 2 slices of cheese on each bread. These are the enormous ones. Should we put them sideways? I think we should.
Whatever way you like, dear.
Okay. Exactly 8. Turn on the heat. Am I going to turn on the heat or you? Or you? Put the bread on top. Let's get 3 more because we already have 1 over here.
3 plus 1 is?
4.
4.
And put this right here. 1 more. There we go. Spray the tops with butter spray.
Get that one. That one.
Set the timer for 3 minutes. Should I do it?
Go for it. Push up. There we go.
Now turn down the heat and flip the sandwiches.
I'm going to turn it down to medium.
Should I do it myself? I can't get the bottom. Okay. 2, 3.
You did it.
I'm going to do this. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.